What's up guys, Mikeyfix here, and today I'm going to show you how to get rid of the knocking sound from your Dewalt scroll saw. I just bought this scroll saw for 150 bucks off of Facebook Marketplace, and it has a crazy bad knock to it. So I'll show you. Pretty easy to hear. Once there's tension on the blade and you turn it on, that knocking happens. So we're going to take this thing apart and I'll show you exactly where you can fix that. First things first is we're going to want to get this plate off. There's 2 Allen screws under here holding it on, and then a bracket back here. So the first bolt is right here. And then the last thing you got to do is take off this bracket here. So I'm going to use a T25 forks and a set of vice grips on the nut on the backside. Make sure you take tension off of your blade first so that you're able to lift the plate off. Just like that. Once the plate's off, you're going to take this black bracket off with these two torque screws. And then we're going to take this whole housing off, which are these hex bolts with nuts on the other side, and then this bracket here. So there you go. That housing comes out like that. Just make sure that you have it unplugged because this whole mechanism here sits on the housing. So you're just going to want to make sure with all these loose parts it's not accidentally on and the thing goes shaking everywhere. So this whole piece is loose. I'm just keeping it there as a stand. And then we're going to take off this whole housing because the bolt for the tension rod is somewhere in here. I think it's time to speed this process up a little bit. Now this whole housing will come out. This is what the inside's looking like. Packing peanuts. Great. So this is the most important one right here. We're going to make sure this one's tightened up good. Nice and snug. And then we're going to put all the housing back on. Now you're going to pop this piece on. Just make sure that this is facing up. Once that's done, you're ready to put the plate back on. So you're going to grab the plate, feed it in between each arm, and then into this little nub here. And then you're going to throw your bolts in underneath. Once you're finished putting the plate back on, you're ready to put your blade back in. Everything's back together. Let's fire on and see if it's making that noise anymore. Look at that. No more knocking. Sounds great. So that's it. Like I said, bought this thing for 150 bucks and I'm probably gonna flip it, turn it into at least 300. Other people on Marketplace are selling them for 500. So if you like this video, hit like, comment, subscribe. I'll check you in the next one.